Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the daily trader. It is October 19th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir is having an incredibly good day. Today, we closed up 43 cents, 1.77%. We closed at 24.69. Post-market, we are up 7 cents. What do we have here on the chart? So we were into the symmetrical triangle. And at the same time, we are in the congestion zone between 23.10 and 25. The stock was making lower highs and higher lows. So this is what was happening here. And now we broke outside of this symmetrical triangle. As I mentioned, this pattern of symmetrical triangle does not tell us which way the stock is going to break. Is it going to break above or break below? And now it just broke above. Pretty nice show of strength for Palantir. We have a longer wick at the top. The stock tried to break $25 and it did break it during the day. So some people bought at that point in price. Some people bought at $25.20, but then the stock was squished back down. So $25 is still a resistance that is in effect. So the stock still has to overcome that. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So this is the first candle of the day. So we broke outside of 24.34. So this is an intraday resistance that we have had. So we broke outside of it and went super high and then also went quite low, almost right smack on 24.34 and settled back right here above the triangle, this triangle resistance. And look at the volume here on the first hour. And nice volume here, 289,000 shares. And on average, it's approximately 100,000 shares. So nice volume here. So some people are accumulating Palantir stock. Then second hour, another nice wick at the bottom showing buying pressure. Then things were a little bit more even, starting to take a pause here. Then selling pressure, then buying pressure again, but still a red candle. So we are maintaining ourselves right here. Let's do a quick look on the indicators. So stochastic at 63, so not bad for stochastic. Over 60, we have some chances that the stock is going to maintain itself and maybe go up a little bit. So we are seeing a little bit of that, even though we have a little bit of weakening right here. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at our indicators, how they were affected by this move. So stochastic is still going up. We are at 27, still very slow to go back up. RSI pretty much even at 50. And we have a MACD breakover, a MACD bullish breakover. So I'm going to put back the green thumb up to illustrate this fact. And we have the other thumb down to illustrate the fact that we don't have the two MACD lines above zero. So this is a good news here. Things are starting to change a little bit. And we also have a crossover for DMI. So this is quite impressive, actually. So DMI is crossing over right at the same time as MACD. We just need this stochastic to get some steam up and we should be good to go. I need to mention also that we have a W pattern here. So for those that like to study technical analysis, we have different patterns. So we have a W here, and the rule with Ws is that as soon as we cross this middle part of the W, this is a buy signal. So when we cross, this is a buy signal. Of course, in this case, we also are into this bearish channels. This is adding some element of risk to this decision. But this is why I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just pointing out the important things that you need to watch out for. And I'm basically giving you the ingredients and you make your own recipe. If you want to put a lot of sugar, you put a lot of sugar. And if you want to put some salt, you put some salt. We are all adults here, and I'm not here to tell you what to do because you are smart enough to figure it out on your own. And you can figure it out without investing any money. You can paper trade your stocks before you put your money in the stock market. So you can just take a piece of paper and you say, okay, what if I buy each time MACD crosses over? What would have been my success rate? You could have started right here and say, okay, I would have bought here and boom, and I would have sold here. Okay, I would have sold here. Oh, okay, I would have made a bit of money here and I would have bought here and I would have sold here. Oh boy, I would have lost money here. How can I not lose money next time? Maybe you don't listen to MACD when the stock is in a bearish channel. Okay, but when the stock is in a bullish channel, maybe you can listen to MACD. So let's try it. So this is a bullish channel here. Then MACD is crossing here. Okay, I would have bought here and I would have sold here. Bought here, sold here. It's pretty good. Or sold here. I don't know exactly. And then I would have bought here. Yeah. And I would have sold where? Approximately here. It's pretty good too. This is fantastic. This is magic. This is magic. I'm going to become a millionaire. Then MACD here. MACD is crossing here. Okay, but we are in a bearish channel here. Okay, so maybe I should wait until we get out of this bearish channel and come back into this bullish channel. Okay, I'm going to do that. This is how you can choose the indicators that you want to use. These are the ones that I have chosen because I've come to know them. I've been watching these indicators move as the stock move for years and years. I am comfortable with them and I know that it does not mean that these are the best indicators. You can get used to any other indicators and also be successful. Great day for Palantir, but we are still in this congestion zone and $25 is still our resistance. And because we are in a congestion zone, and we had this selling pressure, it still means that the stock is allowed to play into this congestion zone. This is the play area of the stock. Once we break this bad resistance here, then the stock is going to be a lot freer to move back up. And once we break that one here, then it's going to be fantastic. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member of this channel. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.